Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about shampoos and conditioners. I have made a number of videos in the past on this subject, and if you're interested, I will link it in the info bar below. So today I have 7 brands and 12 empty products that I wanted to share, and as per usual I will talk about it in the order at which I will recommend it. So let's start off with a shampoo, and this one is from Nature's Organics, and this is called the Organic Care Dry Nourish Shampoo with organic olive leaf and wheat protein. So this particular shampoo is for dry and damaged hair, and this is in 725 ml. It's really big. I don't like buying big bottles of shampoos because I do like to try other scents and brands, but because I do love this brand, I'm okay buying a big one. But this took me a while to finish, but it's a brand that I kept repurchasing, and in fact that is the shampoo that I'm currently using. Why I love this shampoo is the ingredients. A lot is sourced from plants, and this is free from SLS, SLES, ALES, petrochemical cleansers, and parabens. It's also grey water safe, cruelty free, vegan, Australian made and owned, supporting sustainable palm oil, and 100% recycled and recyclable bottle. If you've been watching my channel, I do like to support Australian made and owned brands, and so this one is highly recommended. This is available in Woolies and Coles, and I think they've changed the packaging. I love this shampoo. Highly recommended. Next one is conditioner. This is my favorite brand, and it's the Crimsilk conditioner. This is the Standout Straight. So Heart Evangelista is one of my favorite movie stars in the Philippines. This is 350 ml. Again, it took me a while to finish this. So Crimsilk is made by Unilever. I think a year ago I've made a video on my favorite conditioner, which is Crimsilk, so I'll also link that below. I've talked about all, because I did try and buy all of the variants of the Crimsilk conditioner, but hands down the best conditioner in the world. I think it's the best conditioner, and perhaps the only conditioner that I will keep repurchasing. Of course, here in Australia you can find them in Filipino stores, but I think there are also some on Amazon and eBay. This one is highly recommended. Why I love the Crimsilk conditioner is because that's a conditioner that really conditions and moisturizes my hair and makes my hair soft and manageable. The next brand is from Larier's, and this is an Australian company, so I got their Pure Organic Harmony shampoo and conditioner. So this is the packaging. I do love this product because it's got a lot of good ingredients and free from a lot of toxic chemicals, and it is Australian made and owned. Let me just smell it. And the smell has got that botanical, clinical smell and natural. Both shampoo and conditioner has got biodynamic avocado and macadamia oils, Australian kakadu plum extract. So they have that ingredient, and yeah, I do like this. It's highly recommended as well. And then the next brand is from Pantene. So I have used up the Pantene Pro V shampoo clarifying. So this one removes residue and buildup. So that's the packaging. I tend to use clarifying shampoos once a week. I don't know, I've read it years ago. I read it somewhere that you have got to use a clarifying shampoo once a week, and so I have been doing that. On a weekday, I will use whatever shampoo that I have. Say if I'm washing my hair in the weekend, then I use a clarifying shampoo. It took a while for me to finish this because I only use it once a week. Pantene is a great drugstore brand. It's one of the easiest shampoo to love because it's super cheap, and also it's great for the hair. And then the next one from Pantene that I have used up is the Pantene Pro V Conditioner Color Therapy. So protects colored hair and helps restore brilliance. Because I do color my hair, I do buy the shampoos or conditioners that has got a color protect, and I think that's why I got these. Similar to the shampoo, it's a good conditioner. I can't find fault with Pantene. It always delivered when I've always liked Pantene, and Pantene is produced by Procter & Gamble. So I've used up the shampoo and conditioner. Then I also used up a deluxe size of the Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal for dry damaged hair. So that's what the packaging looks like. Because I do color my hair, I tend to look for products that says color protect, and then products that will say for dry and damaged hair. So I tend to just go for those products. The next product is called the Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Shampoo. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's saying here made in the UK. I haven't heard of this brand before. I don't remember buying this, but it was probably part of those gift sets. But I did enjoy this. I used it as a clarifying shampoo in that I just use it once a week, or when I wash my hair in the weekend. That's what I used it for. I actually like this. I felt like my hair was so clean and shiny, and it's just soft. And now when I'm looking at the ingredients, it says it's got blended with biotin, keratin, and zinc to promote healthy looking hair growth. Right, so it's 250 ml. It's so worth it. May have to check where I can get this from. But so the next one is a shampoo and conditioner, I think from a hotel. In my previous job, I used to travel, and I got this from a hotel I stayed in. It's called the Rosella shampoo. What's it? Apellis. It's called the Apellis Apothecary and Lab, and this is the Rosella shampoo and conditioner, and this is what the packaging looks like. This smells so good. This one looks like a organic, natural sort of company. And yeah, it says not tested on animals, eco-pure, paraben-free, recyclable, Australian designed and owned. Product from New South Wales. This was amazing. I love this. And I use this. It's like a salon product and luxurious and expensive. And then the last product is just a sachet. So this is from Palmolive. It's the Palmolive Naturals Vibrant Color Shampoo and Conditioner, Avocado Oil, and UV Filter. So this is for color treated hair. I think I got this from a magazine. I like that they come up with promos like this, because that's the only time I would try new products. Because if I didn't try this, I wouldn't buy it. I did enjoy this. It's something that I would like to reconsider purchasing in the future. But I'll wait till the supermarkets have a discount on it, because I'm not buying it full price, even though it's super cheap. Because I am liking now the organic hair. That's sort of my go-to shampoo now, but I still want to try other brands and products. And Palmolive is an iconic brand. It's very big in the Philippines, so I don't mind trying it again. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Cheers. Bye-bye.